Forza Horizon 5 refusing to launch on your PC. Let's get you back behind the wheel. First things first, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Double check the specs online to avoid any compatibility issues if you do. Let's start with the basics. Restart the game from your game library on Steam or the Microsoft Store, or from the desktop shortcut if you have one. Sometimes a simple restart will resolve the problem. Okay, still no luck. Next, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. This is where we'll check your drivers. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You'll see your graphics card listed there. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose the option Search automatically for drivers. Windows will attempt to find and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Restart your PC after the driver installation. If updating your drivers didn't fix it, there's always the possibility that your game files are corrupted. Head back to your game library, whether it's Steam or the Microsoft Store. For Steam users, right-click on Forza Horizon 5, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're a Microsoft Store user, click on the three dots next to the game to reveal options and find any options that check or repair the game files. Restart your PC after verifying the files. Hopefully, the game will launch. If none of these steps work, there could be other issues at play, like corrupted game files or background processes that the game needs. Hopefully, these steps will help you get back on the road and enjoying the beautiful world of Mexico.